Hello, welcome to Waddyworks, your one-stop shop for graphic design, web design, and more. For more information, visit www.waddyworks.com. Today we will discuss the software Adobe. Adobe is one of the most influential tech companies in the world and a pioneer of the digital revolution. Since its inception in 1982, this company has contributed immensely to the development of technologies and software that have had an irrevocable impact on the utilization of digital technology by business and people alike. Its creative, modern, and innovative apps are used in almost every field, from industry and commerce to communication companies and education. They are an epitome of flexible solutions that satisfy a wide range of professional needs. Prominent users of Adobe products include Yahoo, Walmart, various U.S. agencies, Deutsche Bank, etc. In order to find a solution to the problems of translating text as well as images properly from a computer to the printer, the company Adobe was initiated by its two founders, John Warnock and Chuck Geschke. They initially met at PARC, the Xerox Palo Alto Research Center, while they were researching different graphic and printing systems. After some time, they started to comprehend the importance of the technology that they were developing and how it could alter and improve computing altogether. Upon this realization, the two employees quit their jobs and co-founded Adobe. The name of the company was derived from a creek that used to run behind Warnock's house in California. Shortly afterwards, they developed an innovative way of printing text and images on paper. The first product to be released by the company was PostScript, an application which includes page scanning data and allows for an exact copy to be printed. This software remains as an industry standard to this day, and thanks to new updates and improvements, enables also digital printing, even on complex networks such as a corporate network or the internet. Steve Jobs tried to purchase the company in 1982 for $5 million, but was unsuccessful in his efforts. Although he did manage to attain 19% of the shares of the company and 5-year lease for PostScript for 5 times the price of the company. This transaction, in the very year it was formed, made Adobe the first company in Silicon Valley to turn up a profit in the first year of its existence. After this early success, the two co-founders expanded the scope of their focus and the company in order for it to include desktop applications. This decision would prove crucial in starting the desktop publishing frenzy that would be initiated. Applications like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop were revolutionary as they reshaped and pushed the boundaries of quality and intricacy of photos and images that could be made. With the advancements of technology, these innovations would become readily available for films, videos, and of course, the net. Today, more than 90% of all professionals have a Photoshop software for digital creation and editing. During the 1990s, Adobe produced new software that would strengthen its position in the market and affirm it as an industry leadership. Its new apps, specifically Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects, had an immediate impact in industries, such as the film industry, by providing crucial means for visual effects, editing, and motion graphics. In 1996, Adobe launched Adobe Flash, its first product dedicated to the creation of websites and to the interaction with different apps that vary in function. Today, this app is present in almost 98% of all desktop computers that have access to the internet. During 1997 and 1999, Adobe Dreamweaver and Adobe InDesign would be released in order to ensure a sort of hegemony over the design and layout of software and websites, by providing an intricate interface as well as complex and modern graphics. Adobe's most prominent app, first released in 1993, called Adobe Acrobat, would have an immense impact on the way that information sharing is conducted by making possible to people the transfer of digital documents exactly as they were sent. This was made possible through the use of PDF, portable digital format, which is still commonly used for uploading and downloading various types of digital documents online. The number of PDF files online today exceeds 250 million, and thanks to this immense popularity, this technology is still used by the top PC manufacturers in their products. In the 2000s, the company expanded upon the solid foundation it had built by introducing in 2003 the Adobe Flex, a software designed for businesses and programmers alike, that offers a multitude of choices upon which every user can customize and utilize in the way he or she sees fit. Adobe continued simplifying the ways individuals could impact data through the introduction of Lifecycle in 2004. During this period, the company had also a surge of demand for Adobe Flash, thanks in part to the mobile data services it provided. Today, Adobe Flash and Adobe Reader are available and installed in over 700 million computers. The new century would also come with different leadership changes and reconstruction in the company. Most notably, the retirement of the two co-founders as company heads. The introduction of a new management brought new ideas to the company about how Adobe should continue impacting and reshaping the way information is used, and also led to the development of a company culture, for which the company would be praised over the following years. Evident of this fact in the recognition that Adobe would get in Fortune magazine by being ranked 8 times as the best place to work list. During 2006, Adobe managed to become the first business to get 3 platinum certifications from the U.S. Green Building Council for its facilities in San Jose. This certification pushed the company to strive for similar environmental conditions and standards in other facilities as well. This ascending of Adobe as a prominent leader in this industry, although remarkably quickly, was hampered in its beginnings, as the company had some ups and downs thanks to exterior factors. The desktop revolution catapulted the company to the front of the industry, and by 1986, its stock had gone public. By 1990, Adobe managed to amass more than $168 million capital. But in the wake, 1990, Adobe's relations with Apple, one of its largest stock owners, deteriorated, landing to a period known as the Font Wars, which was concluded when Apple agreed to sell the company's stock. After that period, Adobe would reach a culmination of its productivity, and soon its company value would start to gradually rise. Today, the company's worth is estimated to be $158 billion, with a revenue of more than $9 billion a year and more than 20,000 employees. As this company has known only growth over the past decades, the vision of Adobe's management is anything but bleak. According to Scott Belsky, Chief Product Manager at Adobe, the company's vision leans toward creativity and continuing to empower oneself by using expressions as its most effective tool. In order to provide the clever solutions Adobe's come to be known for. Their ultimate ambition remains to democratize creativity. Yet, during the past decades, the brand has been securing acquisitions of smaller firms in order to expand the diapason of its reach. However, it has decided to remain within the confines that it knows best, that of digital software and boundless imaginations. Today, Adobe is a prime example of a Silicon Valley success story that embodies the values and creativity that have made it prosper in the digital epoch. Its business model, groundbreaking technology, and vision showcase and stand witness the rise of this tech giant, whose zenith is yet to be reached. Thank you for listening. If you like what you heard, please subscribe to the channel